Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into product features, design, and performance so you don't have to. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best aluminum 60-inch tripod available on Amazon right now. The Auleda Vermont 831S camera tripod. So let's jump right in. This 60-inch tripod by Auleda strikes a perfect balance between portability and functionality. First off, it's incredibly lightweight, coming in at just 1.27 pounds. That's lighter than most standard camera tripods out there, which makes it ideal for photographers, vloggers, or content creators who are always on the move. Whether you're hiking through the hills or hopping between cityscapes, this tripod won't weigh you down. Despite being light, it's definitely not flimsy. The build quality combines premium aluminum magnesium alloy with durable engineering plastic, giving it a surprisingly sturdy and stable structure for such a travel-friendly form factor. That means you can confidently mount your DSLR, phone, or even small projectors without worrying about wobble or toppling over. It supports a maximum load of 6.6 pounds, which is more than enough for most mirrorless and DSLR camera setups. The pen head is a three-way type that offers smooth 360-degree horizontal rotation, 180-degree up and down tilt, and a 90-degree vertical flip. Whether you're recording panoramic landscapes or filming talking head videos, this head gives you the flexibility to adjust your frame with precision. There's even a built-in spirit level to help you avoid slanted shots, which is a small but very welcome touch. One of the best parts is the wireless remote. It's Bluetooth enabled and works with both Android and iOS devices. Just make sure your phone runs iOS 5.0 or Android 4.3 and up. The remote has a 33-foot effective range, so you can step back, pose, and shoot without touching your phone. That's especially handy for group shots, selfies, and vlogging when you're working solo. Now in terms of what you get in the box. There's the tripod itself, the universal phone holder, the Bluetooth remote, a user manual, and a carrying bag. It's essentially a complete tripod package that works for both beginners and more experienced creators. To sum it up, this is a strong, lightweight, and highly compatible tripod with thoughtful design features like the spirit level, cold shoe mounts, and wireless remote. For its price, you're getting serious value. Whether you're using a Canon DSLR, a smartphone, or even a projector. If you're in the market for a no-fuss, do-it-all tripod that won't break the bank or your bag, the Auleda Vermont 831S is a top contender. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And let us know in the comments what gear you'd like us to cover next. Until then, this is Product Critique, signing off.